Hi, everyone. Dr. Mike here. If your child uses an inhaler for asthma, you might be wondering, what is the deal with the spacer? Is it really that important? Well, the short answer is yes, spacers make a big difference, but let me explain why. A spacer is a plastic tube that connects to a metered dose inhaler, the kind that gives medicine in a quick spray. Without a spacer, your child has to time the spray just right with their breath in. That's tough to do, even for adults. And if the timing is off, a lot of that medicine ends up in the mouth or throat instead of deep in the lungs where it needs to go to help. When you use a spacer, the medicine is held in the tube after the spray. This gives your child time to take a slow, deep breath in. No need to rush, no need to get the timing just right. The medicine gets pulled all the way down deep in the lungs, which is where we need it to work. And this is true for both maintenance medicine, the ones you use every day, like an inhaled steroid, and for those rescue inhalers like albuterol, which is used when your child is wheezing or having difficulty breathing. So even though it might seem like an extra step, the spacer actually makes the inhaler work better. And better medicine delivery means better asthma control. A few quick tips: always shake the inhaler before using it, attach it to the spacer, have your child breathe out first, then press the inhaler once. After that, your child should take a slow, deep breath in through the spacer, and if they can, have them hold their breath for a few seconds, then breathe out slowly. Repeat this process with each additional spray. How many sprays? Well, that depends on the type of medicine you're using in the inhaler and the directions from your medical provider, so check those labels. Using a spacer may seem simple, but it's one of the best ways to make sure your child gets the full benefit of their medicine. It can help reduce asthma symptoms, keep kids out of the emergency department, and improve their overall quality of life. So yes, spacers are definitely important. If you have any questions about your child's inhaler or how to use a spacer correctly, don't hesitate to reach out to your doctor or asthma educator. We're always here to help. If you found this information helpful, please like this video and share it with your friends and family, especially those with asthma. And for more child health and wellness information, please subscribe. These things really do help the channel. Also, don't forget PediaCast is also a podcast. You can find our episodes on our PediaCast playlist here on YouTube. Those episodes are also available wherever you get your podcasts. Simply search for PediaCast. Thanks for watching, and as always, this is Dr. Mike, wishing you and your family a healthy day.